we are going to start by downloading the files from the Dimitri's Pap GitHub, and from here go to the latest release. Then scroll down to Assets, and because I'm using the Flatpak version of OBS, I'm going to download this file. And if you're not using Flatpak, you have to download this one. Next, go to where you have downloaded the file, then right click on it and then extract here. Now copy or cut this folder, go to OBS, then go to File, Show Settings folder. In here, create a new folder called Plugins, and then paste the folder to here, and the plugin is now installed. Restart OBS. Then in OBS, go to Add Source, and you have here a new source called Application Audio Capture Pipewire. Then name it as you like it. Then here in the application, you have to choose the application that you want to record the audio from. And in the case of this example or tutorial, I'm going to choose the emulator PCSX2. And then I'm going to play the game and play a music at the same time. Also, don't forget to mute your other audio sources. Start recording. And this should only record the game music or the game audio. Now go to your video file, and you should only have the game audio. Now if you go back to OBS and you want to record the other source or the other audio sources at the same time, if you go to the advanced audio properties, you can choose in which track you want to record the application audio capture. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.